Hi guys, good afternoon to all.
Very good afternoon, ma'am.
As you know that it's Monday today and especially for personal speech. So I want to deliver my speech on a very good topic, and the topic is time traveling. Because I thought that this topic will be very good for you. And I want to tell you that what is time traveling. Time traveling is the activity to travel in past or present. I want to make understand you that what this sentence wants to say. That suppose it is 25 September today, but we have gone in 27 September in 2023, and we have gone a past day. If we are not going according to time, so it is sad time traveling. That if now you will think that how it is possible that now we are living in this era and we will go in future, that we can see our future. But if we see that time traveling is possible, that how it is possible. So it is possible by Einstein's gravity theory, because if we go faster than time, so we can go in future. That I am telling you a story, that the story depends on a person, and the person name is Andrew. I am telling you a story of 2003. It was the March in 2003. There was a person, Andrew. He invested 800 millions in a stock market, and then he saw the result in stock market. Then he saw that he earned $350 million. But the SBI shocked, and he doubted on the person that how a person can earn a lot of money in 2 weeks only. Then he doubted and he made case on Andrew. Then he asked that how did you come to know that this company will win? So he said that yes, I know, because I have gone in time traveling. I have traveled in future. That's why I can tell you that which market will win. Then I invested ₹5 in that market. But the SBI didn't believe that how the person can time travel. Then he said, and then they made case on the person. Then the day when the Andrew was to be present on the court, but he fled. Not he didn't flee. He had gone somewhere. Then SBI searched for him, but they came to know that he has did time travel. He is not in this earth. He has gone somewhere else. Then you can also see a lot of the story that they have gone in future. They have gone future, and they carried a lot of things which was in future, and they also traveled in past. So I am also telling you that from where the word time travel came. It came from a book. It came from book Time Machine, and this novel was written by George in 1895. By this novel, this name time traveling was in trending. That yes, I have gone in time traveling. If now you will ask that how can we time travel in this present? That can we go in 2025? Can we go 2010? So this answer is yes. That we can do time travel in this era. But there is a condition that we will have to flee faster. We will have to flee fastest than light. That the light's speed is this, so we will have to run faster than light. So then we can go in time travel. Then we can go in future. Then we can see that what will happen with us in future. And the second thing is that if we are traveling in a thing that which is very fast, that there should be a rocket, there should be any train, there should be any swim. That if we are traveling in that thing which is very fast, then we can also do time travel. That we can go up to time. It is like it is 4:30, then we will go in 4:40. That what will happen in 4:40. But I don't think that there is any rocket available in this era which is faster than light. So if there will be rocket which is faster than light, so we can absolutely do time traveling. And I am telling you 4 parts of time traveling. Second is one-sided time traveling. What is one-sided time traveling? It is time traveling that we have gone in future, we have gone in past, but we will not come back in present. If we have gone, so we will have to manage our life in future. We will have to manage our life in past. And second is jumping time travel. Jumping time travel and move time travel. It is like time travel that we are just going and coming. We have gone in future and we can come also in present. That we can tell what happened in what happened in future and what happened in past, and we can tell our friends that it will happen and we have come back. And third thing is time machine. You also saw a lot of movies that they did time travel, that if there is any machine and we are just sitting on that machine, so we can also do time travel, but it is very fast because it is very tough to do time travel, because now in this era there is no machine which can do us time travel. Okay, I have finished my topic. Thank you to listen me carefully.